What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you top 5 free editing tools for Android. So the number one app is CapCut. Now, why CapCut? Because it is the most and top freely used applications like for making TikTok, YouTube Shorts and Reels. First off, it's user friendly and it doesn't show any watermark while editing the video. It is free to use and it has a very helpful tool known as a background removal tool for removing the background in just one click. So this app is trusted by many and is also used by many. So this is the number one app that you can use to create or edit your TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Reels, or many more videos for free. Now, the second application is Promio. Now, why Promio? Because they have more than 1000 template styles which are available for free for creating Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, and it is for people who love to create or are creating branded content for their own or for someone else. Or if you are running a social media page, this might be a good solution to manage TikTok Reels, YouTube Shorts, and many more for your page. This might be an option for speed, but this is not the best for detailed editing and for deep editing. Now, the third application is Luma Fusion. Now, Fusion is the most advanced app from this list and it just gives near desktop level control in an Android phone and it also supports multi-track editing. Those who want pro level audio and video editing tools, this tool is for you and it is perfect for vloggers, YouTubers, or anyone who wants deep control over audio and video editing tools. Now, the fourth app is Adobe Premiere Rush. Now, those who are already familiar with the Adobe softwares, they know that Adobe offers a high quality audio and video editing. It is basically a streamlined version of the Premiere Pro. It is fast and does a high quality edits on the go, and you can start on your phone and end on your computer thanks to its cloud syncing option. And it is used to create horizontal videos into vertical, and you can just keep customizing the audio and the video as much as you want. It has so many options to customize your audio and to customize your video. Now, moving to our next app. Now, the last app, but not the least, is the Power Director. Now, Power Director brings the power of laptop-like editing in your smartphone. Firstly, it supports 4K video editing, so your footage stays crisp and clear. And then it supports multi-track timeline, allowing you to layer video, music, images, footages, and many more. And it also includes AI effects. So if you want a 4K video editing software on your phone, Power Director is your best friend. Okay, so these were the top 5 video editing tools. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.